It's 2022, the beginning of the new year, and after 2 years of grueling pandemic, we're finding that the Las Vegas is gradually reopening. This is the first CES after the pandemic was struck, and as you can see, they're taking their responsibilities seriously. They have instituted a vaccine review, and they're handing out test kits so that you can actually take the test before you enter the big conference halls. And a lot of people seem to be taking it quite seriously. There is certainly a slowdown. The attendance has dropped off, and I know some of the larger companies have not attended still due to the pandemic and to Omicron. But at the same time, spirits seem to be running high, and the people who are here are optimistic and taking the pandemic protocols seriously, but looking forward to a very good CES this year in 2022.
The 2022 Consumer Electronics Show kicked off in the U.S. city of Las Vegas on Wednesday amid another surge of the COVID-19 pandemic. The world's premier tech show, scheduled from January 5th to 7th, drew more than 2,300 exhibitors, including 800 startups, as well as hundreds of thought leaders. According to the Consumer Technology Association, the organizer of the CES, attendees and media representatives from nearly 160 countries have registered their participation at CES 2022.
I think that they're a great idea. Everybody wants trade shows to come back, and this is a really good way to help implement that. It helps people feel more comfortable about coming to these types of shows. It enables our industries to keep moving and keep doing what it is that we do best.
Digital health is expected to be a hot topic at this year's show as COVID-19 still poses a severe threat to the world. More than 100 health companies have joined the show, featuring the latest health technologies including remote patient diagnostics and monitoring, digital therapeutics, mental wellness, wearables and telehealth services. According to the CTA, the show will also feature a plethora of exhibitors, advancing two of the most compelling technology megatrends of the future, intelligent automation and the evolution of the metaverse. The CES 2022 is held both in person and virtually. Organizers have shortened the in-person event by 1 day, ending on Friday instead of Saturday. The CTA has taken enhanced health measures in face of the surge of COVID-19 cases. Full vaccination is required for all participants, and mask wearing is compulsory indoors. All badge holders have been given a complimentary antigen self-test kit. The CTA encourages attendees to test less than 24 hours before entering a venue.